modifying a Colecovision controller to have microswitches for the joystick to improve the performance. And I'm being assisted by my cat Spot. For this modification, I'm using some switches from Radio Shack. These are the 5mm high tactile switches. Port number 2750002. After taking the controller apart, I removed the original switch and also removed the ring that is around this central pivot point. I just cut it off and removed it. Here's the first switch mounted. Got all the switches mounted now. Ready to reassemble it and test it. Next, I remove the spring from the joystick. Let's give it a try. Well, it's much more responsive than the old style. Works pretty good.